Hello students, welcome to Competition World. My government has organized a competition to coin a name. Before that, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more notifications from our channel. The Digital India Corporation is developing an e-commerce portal for Ministry of Textiles to provide a platform to Indian handloom weavers and handicraft artisans to sell their products online, paving the way for their financial and social environment. This will also help in promoting their skills while eliminating the intermediaries. And the prize money is announced as 10,000 for the winner. Only one winner is announced, and let us see the guidelines and the terms and conditions for the participants. There are many terms and conditions that are subjected for the participants. The name should not violate the Copyright Act, and you should participate by registering in the My Government platform, and you should ensure that your profile is updated on date. And one participant can submit only one entry. If you submit more than one entries, it will be considered as disqualification. The winners will be announced in the names of My Government blog page. There will be no notifications for participants of rejected entries. So if the participants who are rejected, they will not be notified. And the Ministry of Textiles reject any entry which it does not feel is suitable or appropriate, or which does not conform to any of the conditions listed above. So they have the right to disqualify any person who doesn't obey the right to create, who doesn't obey the terms and conditions. Once a winner is declared, the winner will be revert to confirmation email within 3 working days, or another winner will be chosen. So payment to the award winners will be made electronically, and entries must be by the closing date. You should submit the entries before the closing date, and my Ministry of Textiles doesn't take any responsibility for any damage, loss or injury of any kind suffered by any participants in entering the contest. So you have to see of your submitted entries. So you should take care of your copyrights of your entries. And friends, the person who has submitted the entry should be the same person who has conceptualized the name. So plagiarism is not accepted. And another competition is that design a logo for e-commerce. Yeah, so the same, but you have to design a logo for e-commerce of Ministry of Textiles. There are many terms and conditions, similar terms of conditions, so you can verify. We have given the link in the description, so you can go and verify it in the description. And friends, the logo should be submitted in PDF or JPG or JPEG file format. So there are only three file format which are permitted, and both color and monochrome images will be accepted. The entry should not be previously published in any medias or channelized in any medias. So it should be a new own copyrighted content. So please be aware of that. And a small detailing within 50 words. You can describe your logo within 50 words. What is the conceptualize you have used, and what is your aim on the Ministry of Textiles, and what is the idea of about your logo. So friends, for both the competitions, the prize amount is announced as 10,000, and you can submit it before 18 September, and it's compulsory Indian IST time, 18 September 5 p.m. So approximately 5 p.m. you can submit on or before 5 p.m. And for further details, you can check the description link. We have given the link in the description, so you can click and check for more further details, and for more further competitions and held by My Government and the central government. You can follow our channel, and you can suggest and share, like and share to your friends. Comment below your questions. If you have any questions, you can comment below.